Welcome to part 2, subtracting decimals, and we're going to use subtracting decimals using money. Again, I would love you to have a pencil and a piece of paper, and as we're doing these things, you can pause this at any time you want and try it on your own and see if you can get it before I do or before you see me doing it. So subtracting decimals using money. First rule, I always estimate first. Estimate in your head to see if your answer will make sense. The second rule, stack the numbers from largest to smallest. That is very important in subtraction. Doesn't matter in addition, although I usually do it in addition. I still do largest to smallest, but in subtraction it will make a difference, just like when we were doing dates in the past. Third rule, line up the decimal and the place value. That is what we've been learning since we've started comparing decimals, so that is what you need to do. All right, so we are going to go on to our next one. So I've decided COVID-19 is over. I'm going to go to my favorite restaurant and I'm going to order a burger. Just so you know, I would never order a burger, but I'm going to order a burger and a salad. The burger is going to be $15.75. The salad's going to be $7.85, and I have $30 altogether. So I'm going to first of all think in my head. The first thing I'm going to think is $15.75 is about $16. $7.85 is about $8. 16 and 8 is $24. So I think it's going to cost me about $24, which means if I minus that from my $30, that I'm going to have enough money for a $6 tip. But that's a lot of money for a tip. That's more than 10%, more than 15%. Maybe more than 20%. So I want to find out how much my meal is going to cost altogether, and then exactly how much change I'm going to get back to make sure that they do that. So the first thing we're going to do is add. I'm going to put my big number on top, $15.75. Going to line those up. $7.85. My decimals are lined up. My hundredths, tenths, ones, and tens are lined up, and I'm going to add them together. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 plus 6 is a 13. Give me a moment. Oh, put my decimal there. And so I have $23.60. So now I have to minus it from $30. And $23.60. I'm going to say that that is about $24. So yeah, it's about $6 that I should have back. It won't be exactly that. I have lined up everything. Have I put my largest number on top? I have, and here I go. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6, I cannot do it. I cannot borrow from here. So I have to borrow from the $10 spot. So that 10 becomes 2, this becomes 10, which really becomes 9, and now this becomes 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. Bring down my decimal. 9 take away 3 is 6, and 2 take away 2 is 0. So I have $6.40. Was my estimate about right? Does this make sense? Yes, it does. So I have $6.40 left over to pay my person. All right, you are going to have a bunch of problems this week in order to do these. You're going to get a hold of some flyers. We're going to have some online flyers that are available. You're going to plan out a menu and do a whole bunch of adding and subtracting and seeing how you're doing with that. You're going to order at a restaurant and see how that goes. So have a lot of fun with this week, and Watch this lesson over again if you are not understanding anything along the way. Have fun.